You're gonna go right here, the front row. Watch. Sit in the front row right here. Watch. Step.
Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be our turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here in this hostile world is where our story begins. 10,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one step wrong. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds flat is inventing papyrus, a stiff paper. Papyrus in turn creates better records, plans, signs, and unfortunately facts that the high-tech life we enjoy. Learned from the Greeks, Romans, and Roman empires. The first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. And that is about to change. Now knowledge can travel as fast as the speed of books, and translate books make it easier to invent the future in everything. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
America, now connected from the Atlantic to the Pacific.
By now, we're communicating from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969, from somewhere else.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language. Spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large and expensive computers, but we saved. They're as big as a house. The solution comes, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a solid. Let's have some fun creating the
Dave. There I am. You didn't get, yeah, you didn't get it.